Have you ever sneezed so hard you caused a fruit-related disaster? Because I have. It was a Tuesday, 4:37 p.m., and I was in the grocery store trying to find the perfect avocado, not too hard, not too mushy. While squeezing one like I was auditioning for Fruit Whisperer, I let out a monster sneeze. Full body. Violent. Biblical. Next thing I know, I've knocked over an entire pyramid of oranges. They rolled everywhere. One hit a kid. He cheered. A lady gasped like I'd committed a felony. I tried to act casual, like, weird, who spilled all these? But yeah, everyone knew it was me. I bent down to fix it. Bad idea. Made it worse. Cue the loudspeaker. Clean up and produce, again. It's him. Him? I'm him now? I panicked. Ditched my cart, grabbed a frozen pizza like a getaway prop, and bolted to self-checkout. Escaped with my life, but my pride is still rolling around near the kiwis.